Yo, what is up guys? Trent here from How To Haven. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can control the notifications from each app individually on Windows 10. Pretty easy. All you got to do is hit the start button and type in settings. And you want to open that up, and next you want to hit system. From there you hit notifications and actions, and you scroll excuse me, you scroll down and you can see all the apps you have, and you can individually turn shit off. Alternatively, you could also turn them all off right up here, and all these settings, you can look at them, see what you want. Doesn't really matter. And then you can edit your quick actions right here. Very easy, very simple, and it'll help you out if you're getting a lot of annoying notifications. Anyways, if I helped you today, please leave a like, a comment, or maybe even subscribe if you're feeling crazy. And if I really helped you today, please check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. Maybe throw me a few dollars. Everything helps. Anyways, have a great day, and I hope I helped.